Hey guys, this is Greater Ninja, and this video is on Bitcoin US dollar. I'm still a little bit sick. It's kind of like a flu. I got like phlegm and crap in my throat, lungs. I don't know. Anyways, uh, the news, right? It's, December 6th. It's 5:47 in the morning Pacific Standard Time. Bitcoin has hit a new all-time high of 12,819. If you look at the previous video, I was saying a bullish target of around 12,600. We certainly hit that and got a little bit further past. But in the video, I was also saying that we'd hit this target and then have a pullback. And I think we're still going to have a pullback. Simply because we've only had maybe 10% dips. This candle here, what's the difference? Let's see. That's about 20% from the high to the low, but I think we're due for a bigger pullback. We still have the TD9s, right? We haven't had any bearish candle counts occur yet. We are 3 daily candles away from the TD9. If we look at the previous TD9s, there were dips, right? 12%, 28, 30%. Now, okay, yeah, dip, right? TD9, dip, TD9, kind of a dip. Let's turn off the cloud. TD9 dip, right? TD9, well, we went up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days, and then we kind of went sideways dip. TD9 doesn't always. It's not always like right, but I say it's right like 7 or 8 out of 9 times. It's usually right on the higher time frames, right? Or it's a good indicator that you could expect some sort of pullback. And yeah, let's just go to it. Weekly, still, we're on the next candle after a TD9 on the weekly. And so far, price has gone up, right? Currently, the candle looks like a doji now, right? But so our new daily, right, and our weekly, right, after the TD9s hit for the daily and the weekly, the candles after the close, they began on December 4th, right? So we're still on the weekly, and I think we're going to dip. We're gonna dip, correct? Like 30, 50%. I'd say minimum we need to dip like 20%. This is the weekly view, right? And if we zoom in, this weekly candle is still quite a bit above the B bands, right? Usually, always price falls back in, right? And then the B bands will contract, and then the price is going to break upwards or downwards. That's usually what happens. But price is it's quite outside the Bollinger Bands, and price is far away from the cloud. Now, if we go back to the daily, price is quite a bit away from the cloud. Oops. Yeah, so So price is quite a ways from the cloud. And what I mean by that is that, you know, even if price is like trending upwards and very bullish, at some point in time, it will pull back toward the cloud. You know, it'll bounce off the cloud, or it'll go through the cloud, right? In Bitcoin's case, I think the most we'll see is it will wick through the cloud, right? And that's a big maybe, right? More than likely, just a wick to the Tenkin, right, on the daily, and that's about 8,652. Okay, yeah, I'm really tired, so I apologize. I'm forgetting everything I was gonna say. Now let's look at the 4-hour time frame, right? Four-hour time frame says that we can actually go up more. Stochastic RSI says we could go up a little bit more, but we're definitely overbought territory. RSI is like 69.54. It says we're nominal, but close to overbought. Basically, the way I read this is it really says that on the 4-hour, which is like a medium time frame, it says we could actually go up for another few 4-hour candles, right? But looking at volume over the past 4 hours, it's dropped off. Past few 4-hour candles, it's dropped off. Okay, let's go back to the hourly, right? Okay. Hourly had a TD9, and we're still kind of expecting, you know, at least to test the support on the hourly. Right, so 12,220, 230, give or take. And you know, after moving about $1,000 in 2.5 days, I think we're going to probably break the hourly support. You know, and then what? We go to 11.5, 11.6, give or take, right? Okay. Stoke on the hourly. Align with the TD9, right? I mean, we could go back up higher, right? We might have like you know, just one more down candle, and we could go higher. The RSI and Stoke certainly says that. RSI is nominal. It could go to like 85, 90, 95. In my opinion, I think it's just very risky a trade on margin right now. I think it is. I think you know, I'm expecting a dip, and you know, I could be holding my breath forever, right? But this time, right, we're kind of in unknown territory. You know, we can go 15.5. You know, or we could drop a few $1,000s. So yeah, if I go long on BTC, then you know, I could totally get wrecked. So right now, I'm just going to wait on the hourly to see if it tests support and breaks it. I'm gonna wait on the 4-hour, you know, to see if we stay in this range, go sideways, and perhaps even break the support, or if we push for new all-time highs. You know, I'm gonna wait for some sort of signal before I enter in some sort of position. Okay, guys, thank you for listening to me ramble, and you know, if you like the video, thumbs up it. If you don't like it, thumbs down it. If you guys have any comments, questions, leave it in the comments section. I'll do my best to respond. And all right, you guys have a good day. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.